Hello students, welcome to the second section. As we have discussed earlier that the present session is divided into 4 sections. So coming to the second section. The second section is AI, that is artificial intelligence, right? So let's understand in the basic terms that what actually artificial intelligence is. So again, when we say artificial intelligence, the number one thing which comes into our mind is simulation. The second, human, and the third is mimic. Now let's understand what these three terms are. Artificial intelligence are simulation of human behavior and mimic of human actions to exhibit human-like behavior, right? The term simulation is a meaning which says that natural system in an artificial environment, right? So when you are talking about artificial intelligence, it is actually a simulation of human behavior and mimic of human actions to exhibit human-like behavior, right? So how can this be done? So this is not so easy. We have to go through a certain process which is the part of the study and the syllabus, which will come later on with the progress in the syllabus. We will come to know each and every factor of this. But now let's talk about that what are the key features because of which the artificial intelligence has become so important. So number one, that it simulates. So the first feature is the simulation. So it can behave, it can mimic the human-like behavior in the machine. The second is that it develops a sense of reasoning and perception, right? So developing a sense of reasoning and perception, that it can behave like human beings. When there is a problem, they can reason and they can answer to the problem like the human beings do. The third is that they can be applied in any industry, right? So when I say any industry, we can divide the AI into two different type of sections. The one is the strong AI and the another one is the weak AI. So when you say strong AI, it is simply that it is applicable to many systems. So a single machine can behave in many different ways. Similarly, when I talk about weak AI, it is only applicable to one type of system, right? And that is why we are talking about two different types of AI, that is strong AI and weak AI. And the fourth point is that it includes the application not only into the behavior but also into the practical lives like finance, the business, in medical and other fields. So it can be applied in all these sections of life, and that is why artificial intelligence is so important nowadays when we are talking about the modern era, or which is said to be the fifth generation of computers, right? And fifth generation of computers is talking about machine learning, big data, data science and artificial intelligence.